This is the E2 Optical Encoder. It comes in resolutions ranging from 32 to 5000 CPR. That's 128 to 20,000 PPR. The E2 is available with index and comes in single-ended output. You can purchase optional external line drivers if you need differential, Avago compatible, or high voltage output. The E2 is quick and simple to assemble and supports 14 shaft sizes, ranging from 2 to 10 millimeters. If this is a new application, you may also consider looking at our E5 optical encoder. It has all the same specifications as our E2, but comes with a latching connector and can support differential, Avago, and high voltage output internally. Find pricing, specifications, and drawings without emailing sales or signing up for a mailing list right on our website. And please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our products and company.